Hello. The information you will hear in this video has been prepared based on the current OZEMPIC patient information leaflet and reliable medical sources. If you find this video helpful, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. OZEMPIC is a prescription medicine belonging to a group of medicines called GLP-1 receptor agonists. OZEMPIC is an injectable solution supplied in a pre-filled pen and is administered by injection under the skin. The active ingredient in OZEMPIC is semaglutide. The inactive ingredients are listed toward the end of this video. What is OZEMPIC and what is it used for? OZEMPIC, it is used in adults with type 2 diabetes to help control blood sugar when diet and exercise alone are not sufficient. OZEMPIC can be used alone or together with other diabetes medicines. OZEMPIC also has certain cardiovascular uses. OZEMPIC can be used to reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events, such as heart attack, stroke, or cardiovascular death, in adults with type 2 diabetes and established cardiovascular disease. How is OZEMPIC used? OZEMPIC is injected under the skin once a week. It can be injected into the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. It should not be injected into a vein or muscle. OZEMPIC can be used at any time of the day, with or without food. It is recommended to use it on the same day each week whenever possible. Treatment is generally started with 0.25 milligrams once a week. This starting dose is used to help your body adjust to the medicine. After 4 weeks, the dose is generally increased to 0.5 milligrams once a week. If blood sugar control is not sufficient, your doctor may increase the dose. According to current US product information, the dose may be increased to 1 milligram and, when appropriate, up to 2 milligrams once a week. Available doses and pen presentations may vary depending on the country and product. Do not change your dose unless your doctor tells you to do so. Do not use OZEMPIC every day. What should you do if you miss an OZEMPIC dose? If you miss a dose of OZEMPIC and 5 days or less have passed, you can administer the missed dose as soon as you remember. If more than 5 days have passed, skip the missed dose and take your next dose on your regularly scheduled day. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed dose. What should you know before using OZEMPIC? Do not use OZEMPIC if you are seriously allergic to semaglutide or any of the ingredients in OZEMPIC. OZEMPIC should not be used in people with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid carcinoma, also known as MTC, or in people with multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2, also known as MEN2. Tell your doctor if you notice a lump or swelling in your neck, difficulty swallowing, difficulty breathing, or persistent hoarseness. Pancreatitis, severe or persistent abdominal pain while using OZEMPIC should be taken seriously. Severe abdominal pain that may spread to the back, sometimes accompanied by nausea or vomiting, can be a sign of acute pancreatitis or inflammation of the pancreas. If these symptoms occur, seek medical attention promptly. Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia, meaning abnormally low blood sugar, can occur, particularly when OZEMPIC is used together with insulin or certain other medicines that lower blood sugar. Symptoms of hypoglycemia may include sweating, shaking, hunger, dizziness, weakness, blurred vision, a rapid heartbeat, and confusion. If you use insulin or medicines such as sulfonylureas, tell your doctor. Stomach and intestinal problems. OZEMPIC can slow stomach emptying. The most common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and constipation. If you are unable to drink enough fluids or experience severe vomiting or diarrhea, contact a healthcare professional. Gallbladder problems. Gallstones or inflammation of the gallbladder may occur during treatment with OZEMPIC. Contact your doctor if you develop severe abdominal pain, fever, nausea, or yellowing of the skin or eyes. Eye-related warnings. If you have diabetes-related eye disease, particularly diabetic retinopathy, tell your doctor before using OZEMPIC. Changes in blood sugar levels can affect diabetic retinopathy in some people. Using OZEMPIC with other medicines, tell your doctor or pharmacist about all prescription and non-prescription medicines, vitamins, and other products you use. If you use insulin or certain other blood sugar-lowering medicines, the risk of hypoglycemia may be increased. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, talk to your doctor before using Ozempic. Because semaglutide remains in the body for a long time, the US prescribing information recommends stopping Ozempic at least 2 months before a planned pregnancy. Ozempic may not be appropriate during pregnancy. If you are breastfeeding, talk to your doctor before using Ozempic. Is Ozempic insulin? No, Ozempic is not insulin. Semaglutide belongs to a different group of medicines called GLP-1 receptor agonists. It helps the body increase insulin secretion when blood sugar levels are elevated. Is Ozempic used for weight loss? Weight loss can occur during treatment with Ozempic. This is partly because semaglutide can reduce appetite and food intake and slow stomach emptying. However, Ozempic's primary approved use is the treatment of type 2 diabetes. Wegovy, which also contains semaglutide, is a different product used for weight management in approved indications. Will you regain weight after stopping Ozempic? Weight loss can occur while using Ozempic. After treatment is stopped, the effects on appetite and body weight may decrease, and some of the lost weight may be regained over time. How should Ozempic be stored? Unused Ozempic should generally be stored in a refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Do not freeze it. Do not store Ozempic next to or directly against the freezer compartment. Protect it from light. After a pen has been started, the storage conditions and the period for which it can be used may depend on the specific product and pen presentation. Side effects of Ozempic. The most common side effects of Ozempic include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and constipation. These side effects may be more noticeable when treatment is started or when the dose is increased. Serious side effects may include acute pancreatitis, gallbladder problems, hyperglycemia, and serious allergic reactions. If you develop swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing or swallowing, severe dizziness or fainting, seek emergency medical attention. If you found this video helpful, you can support my channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. You can also share your thoughts and experiences about using the medicine in the comments section.